Hello there. I'm William Foote. I'm the Centre Director for the Irish Cultural Centre here in Hammersmith. And like many great European cities, Dublin has a Fringe Festival. And a representative of the ICC goes over every year to see what the latest theatre, latest acting talent coming out of Ireland is. It runs for roughly 2 weeks, 3 weeks in September. And in September 2023, I went over to have a look and see what was coming out of Dublin, coming out of Ireland in the theatre scope, and I saw a whole range of shows, but I was really intrigued by one show actually, and it's called Dublinland, and I got tickets to see it, which was kind of a miracle because it sold out before the Fringe even started, before it was even reviewed. It was doing 10 nights, and it was the hottest ticket in town, so I had to see what it was all about, and I was able to get myself a couple of tickets and go check it out while I was there. And the premise of it was really, really interesting. It's sort of speaking about the zeitgeist of Dublin at this moment in time, or really what a lot of the youth and a lot of the sort of under 40s might be feeling about Dublin. And the place was packed. It's a comedy. It's a two-hander. And it's based around whether Ireland is in a state of emergency. So the Taoiseach sells Dublin to a corporation and they turn it into Dublinland. And the energy that both these guys have, they've written it, they're both stand-up comedians coming into theatre, the energy that they have is brilliant. I know there's a couple of clips that have been sent to us about it, but it's really, really interesting piece.
Now let me assure you all, I am not just some rich American jerk-off who's come over here to school your country. I'm sure you guys never hear this, but I'm actually Irish. My great-grandmother got the boat over from Donegal, potato faith. And even though I spent my childhood between California, Johannesburg, and the International Space Station, deep in my heart, I've always felt Irish. No matter where I go, I have the blood of St. Patrick, William Wallace, and Hugh McGregor pumping through my veins.
And of course, you don't have to be from Dublin to enjoy it. I thought it was really, really, educational in the sense of the vibe that people are getting for Dublin right now. And yeah, I could actually draw a lot of comparisons on the 10 days I stayed in Dublin to the show. So it's on here at the Irish Cultural Centre between 28th and 29th of June. It's actually their London premiere. Tickets are going all right. There's a good availability, but if you're looking for what was the hottest ticket in the Dublin Fringe, it's here. It's Dublinland.